So today we'll be discussing about a new topic. It is mentioned in your books, psychology and sports. Psychology and sports. ठीक है जी? So there are many things which are needed in sports, which is discipline, ठीक है जी, seriousness, की interest, ठीक है. So what coaches do? They try to take out they try to solve every problem of a sports person so that he can perform well in his games and sports. ठीक है. Same thing as the psychology. So today we'll be discussing about psychology first, because the topics which are being mentioned in your book, it is related to psychology, like personality and all that. So if they have given this word psychology, how this word has been originated? Like what I have studied earlier also, कि people used to think that psychology is a science of soul. Is the science of soul. They used to think science of soul. What is soul? Soul is Atma. But if you say, I'll ask you a question, is there any person in the world, or we can say that who has seen, I'll talk about you people, who have seen soul? Kite Atma dekhi hai? Have you ever seen soul? No. Have never seen soul. Atma chali gayi hai. So they say, the people used to say, कि whatever we do, ठीक है जी, we are motivated from soul. जो आत्मा कहती है वही बंदा करता. We say that मेरी आत्मा नहीं मानती एक काम करने. We usually say this ना in daily routine, मेरी आत्मा नहीं मानती गलत काम करने वास्ते. Means people used to say that my soul is not permitting me to do this wrong thing or anything. So for this thing had gone for ages. Ki science, it's a psychology, is a science of soul. But after the ages, after 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, new research has come up, new people's brain has developed, and they have started thinking new things about this psychology. So they thought that if any person, if they are considering the science of soul, if any person has not seen soul, so how we can do experiment on it? Kame Atma bula ke gal karange? Many people are there and there's my Atma bula lena ji, I'll talk to them, they'll tell you about these things. No, there is no such thing. Science don't permit this. Science says prove it. Experiment karo, prove karo. Ki this is their soul is there. So after so much of debate or search, they discarded this. It is not considered to be the science of soul. Then another definition came. It was science of mind. Then again it changed. कि जो मेरा मन कहूगा मैं करूँगा. मेरा मन नहीं मानता. My mind does not allows me to do this thing. Then it was soul. Then it came mind. But mind is a different thing. It never stays stable. Like I will give you one example. If you are coming to school, suppose you are coming to school from home. Okay? Don't take it personally. But it's a live example. I have observed it many times. Then you are coming from home, and in the middle of the road or at the midway, few friends they say, "Chalo yaar aap film dekhne chahte hain. Let us go to theatre to watch a movie." Let us go to theatre to watch a movie. The mind changes. Punjabi ch kehndे ना मन चंचल है. It changes with time. Today you are liking this car. कल ਨੂੰ ਮਾੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ BMW ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. Then you said this. Your mind keep on changing with time. ਪੌੜੀਆਂ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੇ mind change ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ. Sometimes you said that this person is very good, and after 10 days ਉਹ person ਤਾਂ ਮਾੜਾ ਹੈ. ठीक है जी. So mind does not stay stable. Or it can't be. So J is stable in E, so no experiment can be done. How can I come to know that what is going in your mind? Some people might be having that powers. To psychologists are having those power to know that what is going in your mind. But they have to work very hard on you people. to get the things extracted from you, that what is going in your mind. ठीक है जी? But after many debates, they have discarded this. कि mind does not stay stable. Man chanchal hai, keep on changing with time. Today, some people said, today I'll be going for non-medical. After 10 days, I am going for commerce. No, I'm not having interest in commerce. I'll go back in sciences. This has happened many times. So this is mind. Mind keeps on changing with time and days. Okay? So next is, so they discarded it. Then they said it's a science of consciousness. Means that they say that psychology says that the person, if I will give you example, कि I am delivering lecture to you people, and you are sitting in my class, 40 people are sitting, and you are saying yes, ठीक है, doesn't mean that you are understanding the things. ठीक है जी? Consciousness means alertness. बंदा होश हवास से बैठा है. He is very much alert. But what proof is that you are very much alert? Or you are having a subconscious mind? Subconscious means you are looking at my side, but your mind is somewhere else. Like what? You are driving a scooter. Suppose you are driving a scooter, and your mind is somewhere else. But something comes in front of your scooter, and you apply the brakes also. You keep on thinking about something else, but you are driving a scooter or driving a car. Means that is subconscious mind. How will I come to know that you are very much alert and you are listening to my talks, or you are understanding the things, but you are shaking your head, yes. So this thing was also discarded. But how can be experiment can be done on that person? It was very hard. So it is having unconscious also. If the person is lying unconscious, behosh hai, what experiment can be done in it? What experiment? Nothing. You will not come to know what is going in his mind. What is the psychology of that person? So it was a debatable thing, though they discarded it. At the last, came with a science of behavior. From the behavior of a person, daily routine behavior, you can come to know about the psychology of a person. कि how he behaves inside the class. अगला कहता है यार ये बच्चा बहुत शरारती है, ये बच्चा बहुत तंग करता है, ये बच्चा टीचर से रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता. Your behavior should be is like that. देखो daily routine you should see that this people की यार वो शराब पी के लड़ता है. This person drinks every day and he fights with other people. From the behavior of the psychology, that his behavior is not good. This is his psychology. Every day he fights. Some people are not taking the things seriously. ठीक है, I'll give you example कि earlier कि you must take this thing seriously to studies. Your behavior in your class can make a huge difference. ठीक है जी? If you are taking study seriously, you are taking the subject seriously, you are taking the study seriously, your behavior is very good in your class, teacher will automatically be motivated towards you कि यार ये help करिए. We should help this student. He is very good. His behavior is very good towards us. If any child misbehave with the teacher, they are doing something wrong, the punishment can be given easily. ठीक है जी? So after all this researches, so they came to this conclusion that behavior of a person is the main meaning of psychology. ठीक है जी? So we'll be discussing about this thing in your upcoming topic, which is about personality and its definitions. It's a very good topic about personality. So we'll be discussing in your next topic. So I have explained you this thing. So maybe I'll be merging this topic with your personality one also. Okay? So this again, this is my advice to you people: study hard. कीप ऑन स्टडिंग एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 hours डेली, सो दैट रूटीन वर्क शुड बी कंटिन्यू। ठीक है जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच।